Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Adobe Acrobat PDF editor inside browser using React.js. So this is actually the interface of the PDF editor. So right here you will choose your PDF file, whatever PDF file you want to edit. As soon as you select the PDF file, all the pages will automatically get loaded. You will see that on the left hand side you will see the total number of pages you can navigate to individually. Then you have all the controls out there. You will see for adding text, images, editing text, searching, whiteboard, adding images, highlighting, annotating, everything. So this is actually the full stack React.js application. It's built using the latest version of React. We are also using PDF-LIB library, Mozilla PDF.js library we are also using. And we are running this locally, as you can see, on localhost. You can even purchase a domain name and also run that. So the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So this is actually the full directory structure. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate JSX file here. So if you can easily modify the source code or add additional features on top of this project as well. Each and every component, as you will see, it's divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. So now let me show you the actual features here. So you can zoom in, zoom out, everything. Then we have the option for editing the text. So you simply click inside the PDF of whatever thing that you want to edit. You can simply change it by simply typing it. You can see how easy it is. It will simply update this as soon as you change it. You will see automatically it will be updated, and same goes with the text as well. You can make changes. So after you make the changes, it will be reflected back. And similarly, you can go to the next page, and this time you want to, let's suppose, highlight. You can highlight anything. You can basically choose the color as well. You can see how easy it is. After making the changes, simply click the download button and you will be able to export your work into PDF, Excel, JPG, PPT file, Word document, PNG as well. So let me choose PDF. Yeah, so you simply will download and it will be automatically get downloaded. So if you are interested in purchasing the source code, the link is given in the description. This is also for highlighting, annotating purposes. You can actually choose the highlighting color. This is the annotated tool here. You can change the color as well accordingly. You'll see that. You can put any shape of your choice. Either it can be a circle, it can be so shape. You can put an arrow as well. Then we also have the eraser. So eraser basically erases out the things that you don't need. So this is check mark. You can even put a comment as well. You'll see that. So it has all the options here. PDF editor, it says Adobe Acrobat PDF editor. It directly runs offline, so it doesn't have a server side. It's a single page application which runs entirely in the browser. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. So here you can, the layout of the page, you can single page. You can even crop the page as well. So this is a move operator. You'll see that for adding the text, you can see that how easy it is. Then we also have this one. If you want to hide something in the PDF, you can use this operator, which will. So page management, if you want to specifically delete any page, you simply select that page, click the delete button, and that page will be deleted. So click on. So this is the thing, page management, which is there. So this is actually the full directory structure here. You will see each and every component is coded directly in JSX. So you will see that. And we are using Vite development engine. So that's the command is simple to actually build out this project. npm run build. So this will actually build out this application, and you will be able to run this and also deploy this application as well. So it has all the controls here for deleting paging, for adding paging, rotating everything. You will be able to edit the text of the PDF as well. Can even be able to add images. It's completely responsive as well, which will look good on, but best on desktop devices, but you can use it on the mobile as well. So definitely the link is given in the description.